if ABC are the angles of triangle ABC. In previous videos, while I wrote there a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that. But sometimes we will get question in this form also. If ABC are the angles of triangle ABC, it means what? These three angles are the angles of triangle ABC. It means a plus b plus c is equal to what is the sum of angles of the triangle? 180. So here also same, a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Just use common sense. A plus ABC are the angles of triangle ABC. Three angles are the angles of triangle ABC, means when you add the angles ABC, we will get 180, sum of angles of a triangle. Solution, here you can write a plus b plus c is equal to pi. After this, a plus b is equal to pi minus c. We have to take always c another sign. Now either we have to multiply or divide, it depends on RHS. In RHS you can see a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So we have to divide by 2 here. Dividing both side by 2, a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. In the place of pi by 2 you can write down 90 also, because 180 by 2 it will be 90. You can write down 90. After this we have to take sine both side and cos both side to find out the value of a plus b by 2. Sine a plus b by 2, cos a plus b by 2. So taking sine both side, sine a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now sine pi by 2 minus c by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. 90 means change. Sine convert in the form of cos. So we can write here cos, and pi minus c by 2 means 90 minus theta means first quadrant, where every trigonometric ratio is positive. So sine also positive. So we can write c by 2. So sine pi by 2 minus c by 2 means cos c by 2. 90 means change, so we have convert sine in the form of cos. 90 minus c by 2 means sine positive. Positive means c by 2. So the value of sine a plus b by 2 is cos c by 2. Similarly, we have to take cos both side. Cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. 90 means change. Cos convert in the form of sine. 90 minus c by 2 means all positive. All positive means we can write here c by 2. 90 minus c by 2 means first quadrant. In first quadrant all positive, so here c by 2. After this we have to take LHS, and the LHS is, you can see here, sine A plus sine B minus sine C. And after this we have to take two terms, and we have to use formula of sine C plus sine D. And the formula of sine C plus sine D is 2 sine C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So we have to use here formula 2 sine C plus D. It means a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sine C. Okay, 2. Now we have to put the values of sine a plus b by 2. Sine a by 2 plus b by 2, while taking a LCM here we get 2 a plus b by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2 or a plus b by 2, same thing. So what is the value of sine a plus b by 2? What is the value here? Cos c by 2. So we, in the place of sine a plus b by 2, we can write here cos c by 2. This one write on same, cos a minus b by 2 minus sine c. We have formula 2 sine c by 2 cos c by 2. Using some multiple formula, sine c formula is 2 sine c by 2 cos c by 2. And after this we have to take common. Here is cos c by 2, cos c by 2. We can take common, and the common is 2 cos c by 2. And what is remaining here? This 2 common. Remaining is cos a minus b by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 plus, from here 2 cos c by 2 already common, so remaining is sine c by 2. Here is minus sine c by 2. Now we have to put the value of sine c by 2, and the values of sine c by 2 is cos a by 2 plus b by 2. So we can write here 2 cos c by 2 cos a by 2. We can separate here, minus 2 minus Sine c by 2 value is cos a by 2 plus b by 2. So we can write here cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Now look at from this one, cos c by 2. This is in the form of formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. What is the formula of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b? Formula is 2 sin a sin b. While started part 4 short question, I already provided this formula. If you don't know, you can watch there. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b formula is 2 sin a sin b. If you don't know, if you feel difficult to learn that formula, you can use another formula also, cos a minus b. What is the formula of cos a minus b? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And cos a plus b formula is, a means this one, a by 2, b means this one. Cos a plus b formula is 2 cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. You can use that formula, or you can use cos c minus cos d formula also. C means a by 2 minus b by 2, d means a by 2 b by 2. We have 3 formula to use here. Which formula you feel easy, which formula you have learned, you can use here. So I'm going to use cos a minus b minus cos a plus b formula is 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b. I think this formula is very easy to use here. You have to learn. Now multiplies 2 into 2, 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2, which is in RHS. We have to prove 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. RHS proved. Hope you understand.